Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of verifying game files on Steam, step by step. Verifying game files can help fix various issues and ensure your game runs smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch Steam. Open the Steam client on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your library. Once you're in the Steam client, navigate to your library by clicking on the Library tab located at the top of the window. This will display a list of all the games you have purchased and installed. Step 3. Select your game. Find the game you want to verify in your library list. You can use the search bar if you have many games. Click on the game's title to access its store page. Step 4. Open Game Properties. On the Games page, look for the Manage drop-down menu, which can be found by clicking the gear icon near the Play button. From the drop-down, select Properties. Step 5. Navigate to Local Files. In the Properties menu, locate and click on the Local Files tab on the left side of the window. This section contains information related to the files stored on your computer for the game. Step 6. Verify integrity of game files. Under the Local Files tab, click the button labeled Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will then begin the process of checking your files against the original game files stored on their servers. Step 7. Wait for the verification process. This process can take a few minutes, depending on the game and the number of files it has. Steam will download any missing or corrupted files automatically, so be patient during this time. Step 8. Review the results. Once the verification process is complete, Steam will notify you whether any files were missing or needed replacement. If issues were found, the necessary files will have been re-downloaded and repaired. Step 9. Launch your game. After verification is finished, you can now close the Properties window and try launching your game again to see if the issues have been resolved. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching and happy gaming!